But this one bigger, you know. But it's the same, you know.
Yeah, the same.
The same, but
Freedom
this one
Plus.
bigger.
Yeah. Hello guys, nandito po tayo sa Nassau. So, kasama ko po yung aking boss bakery. So, ang katabi po ng Freedom ngayon ay Adventure of the Sea. Adventure. Labas po kami para malala, nasap ng preskong hangin to giving the fresh air with my master baker in the bakery. Then Adventure of the Seas. From Freedom beside Adventure.